What up, y'all? Welcome back to the 50 state series where I'm going to each state to try their most iconic food. And today we are going to Missouri. But first, I just had some Kansas City barbecue, a beef sandwich here in Rosedale Barbecue in Kansas City, and it was great. The sauce was fantastic. The beef, the meat itself, it was juicy but not overpowering. It was tender and it was smoky, and I loved it. But where does it rank on our list? Because we have some good things here, and I've given it some thought. I forgot to bring this in the restaurant, but I gotta dig this out because, guys, we have a new contender. I am putting, for now, Kansas City barbecue #1 on our list. So for now, it's got the top spot. Who knows, I may be back here to drop this off. Maybe I'll just mail it, this is a far drive. But we'll see. Anyways, like I said, today we're going to Missouri. We're in Kansas City, which is mostly in Missouri already, but we're in the Kansas part, so we gotta drive over the bridge. Take us about 40 minutes to get there. I'm gonna stop to charge once before. Don't have to, but this is gonna be a short drive, a short episode, so we'll fill it a little bit, get the dog some water, let him out. So let's go ahead and hit the road towards Missouri, and you'll see what we're gonna get. Just parked in Missouri to charge. A little behind the scenes for y'all. When I get to a new state and do the map and put it on there, I gotta find it in this little basket of wooden states. Luckily I found Missouri already, but it's hard sometimes, takes a few minutes. There were 50 of them in here at one point. It gets a little easier each time, but this is where they come from. Also, a quick update on the self-driving thing. So this car is pretty cautious in parking lots. It takes its time. So sometimes I'll take over if I want to get somewhere a little quicker. But I kid you not, besides that, I have not touched the wheel. I'm just sitting here and enjoying the ride for the most part. They're long rides still, but this thing is doing all the work, and we're all just chilling back here. All right, let's plug in. I still cannot believe how humid it is in this area of the country. All right, go ahead, big jumper. Whoa, good boys, good boys. In a big grassy area next to a Bass Pro Shop, which I believe is pretty dog friendly. We're gonna give it a try. Can't promise much footage, but it's humid out here. We don't anything to cool off at this point. They are super overwhelmed. So many smells. Raider can't sit still for a second. Oh no, look what we found. Whoa, oh Brody, it's fake Brody. It's not real Brody. Good boys, good boys. That actually went really well. Raider was a good boy. Brody's just always curious. That's cool. It went so well, we got a little pee action. That's my frickin' boy. So proud of you, Raider. All right, I'll stop recording you though. Give him some privacy. That's my boy. Peeing in public like that, that's my boy. Y'all, I did not forget this map segment. I got it with me. I came in the car to grab it and I was like, I gotta cool off for a sec. I'm dripping in sweat. It's so humid outside. Did I mention that already? People say Vegas is hot. This is worse. I don't like this. I'm hoping to get to the hotel early tonight. We've gotten to hotels a little bit later than I'd like to. Gotta do some laundry. This is my last white shirt and it's soaked in sweat right now, so laundry is a must tonight. We gotta get a new state. Let's go out and do that, embrace the humidity, and then we still gotta eat. I'm not even hungry. I just had that frickin' barbecue for you guys yesterday, for me like less than an hour ago. Let's go get Missouri. Alrighty, y'all, no surprises here. We got, oh, look at that. First try peeling that off. We have Missouri officially on our board. I have been here before, quite a few times, driving through especially, and it's too humid to say anything else. I'm sweating. Alrighty, y'all, after all that, we got a ton of battery. our next stop's like 10 minutes away where we're going to eat. So let's go. Now, I want to preface what I'm about to say by saying I know that we are not in St. Louis, but what Missouri is known for is toasted ravioli, which is mainly in St. Louis, but we are here in, where are we at? Kansas City, at Minsky's. Minsky's is a popular pizza place here in town all over Missouri, and don't worry, they serve what they call St. Louis style toasted ravioli, so we're gonna get the authentic stuff. Now, according to my research, despite the name toasted ravioli, it is actually breaded and fried ravioli, which still sounds good to me. So let's go ahead inside Minsky's. We're gonna pick it up and try it out. Alrighty, y'all, at this point, we're just fully embracing the sun, the humidity, the sweat for some toasted ravioli. Not a lot in here, which is actually fine. I just had barbecue like an hour ago. You guys saw that yesterday. So I'm good with this. I mean, not much to say here. It looks like what it sounds like. Toasted ravioli, breaded ravioli, fried ravioli, holy moly ravioli, marinara sauce. Now the sauce could, if the sauce is good, this can be a sleeper pick also. Not that the ravioli is not gonna be good. I feel like I know what to expect, but me being Italian, good marinara sauce does a lot for me. But we'll give it a good healthy dip here, and cheers. Better than I thought. Great snack, great appetizer. It's like honestly, it's like a cheese stick, like a good cheese stick in the shape of a ravioli. That is a spot on observation by me actually. The sauce is great, nothing out of this world. It's not gonna carry the ravioli, nothing too crazy. Goes perfect with this though. I wonder how ranch would be. I like ranch in my cheese sticks. Half for me, half for my boy. Are you going back there with it? Don't make a mess back there now. Brody, come here. Half for my other good boy. There you go. And that was toasted ravioli. St. Louis style toasted ravioli. We're not in St. Louis, I know. Leave mean comments, it's fine. I'm all for taking slight detours to get the good stuff, but St. Louis was just too much. I'm sure this does the job just great. Minsky's, a popular place out here. Really good pizza apparently, but we're here for the toasted ravioli. Let's go digest. Let me find a trash can. Alrighty, y'all. St. Louis style toasted ravioli. You boys want to talk about it too? You boys had some. Let me take off your leashes so you can relax there a little bit. What do you think, boys? Right, you snuck away with that one. What did you think of it? Brody, I don't know about you, but I bet you inhaled it. I think I said cheese stick earlier, but honestly, it's a mozzarella stick in the shape of a ravioli, but it was good. A little bit crispy on the outside, really soft cheese on the inside. Great snack, perfect appetizer. But we gotta rank it. And I'm looking at our list, we got some pretty good stuff on here. We'll see where it lands tomorrow. I'm gonna sit here for a minute, let it digest, and I'll let you guys know tomorrow what I think and where I put it. But for now, thanks for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow.